Hey, everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is feeling well. I want to welcome you all back to another video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, we're going to get started with the positive quote of the day. It reads as follows: Happiness is an attitude. We either make ourselves miserable or happy and strong. The amount of work is the same. And that positive quote is by Francesca Regular. Okay, please like and subscribe if you have not already. I thank you guys in advance. I also thank you again for tuning in. Okay, today we are going to talk about how to make money from our beloved pets that we love so much. Our cats, our dogs, our snakes, our fish, our gerbils, whatever kind of furry pet and or cage pet you may have. You can make some money by you can make some you can make some money from them. I'm gonna talk about one way. We're gonna head over to rumble.com. That's rumble.com. Very similar to YouTube, except one difference about Rumble, which I like, is you can make money right away. You don't have to wait to join the program with the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 subscribers. You can come in here. You can post a video of your cute pet, and you can make some money right away. Now, I wanted to say in the beginning of the video, I myself am not really a dog person. I know dog videos are like really popular. I'm more of a cat person, so I like the cat videos. But I noticed through research that there was way more dog videos than cat videos. So I think most of the examples that we're gonna go through in a minute are dog videos. I couldn't find that many cat videos, so but it's okay. I'm more of a cat person. I just like cats because they're more low maintenance. They take care of themselves. Dogs are more like children. It requires more work. But maybe one day, I have a cat now, but maybe one day I'll go ahead and get a dog. Maybe one dog. One dog, one cat. One dog, one cat. I think that's what I do. Leave in the comments. Let me know what you have. A cat, a dog, a snake, a gerbil, a hamster. Let me know what you guys have in the comments. Okay, so like I said, you want to head over to rumble.com. Again, you can come over here, post a video, sign up, post a video, and start making money today. Okay, we're going to go over a few examples, okay, of some videos. I am not going to play the videos because I don't know if the ads are allowed in my video, so I'm not going to actually play the video, okay? But, okay, as you can see, this video is titled Tiny Pup Can't Stop Jumping at Show Dogs on TV, okay? He or she has had over 106 over 100 and crap sorry over 106K views, and he has earned so far he or she has earned $27.29 on Rumble. Okay, all right. Again, I'm not going to play the video because I'm not sure if the ads are allowed, but that video is only 35 seconds long. It's not bad. A quick video, 35 seconds, which I'm sure he or she made on his phone, his or her phone. Okay, next example we're going to go through is called, the video is titled, if you want to check them out yourself, you can definitely head to rumble.com and check out the videos yourself. Again, I'm not going to play the videos. Just going to go over a little bit in them. Okay, dog is extremely excited over tiny paddling pool. Okay, this video has over 5,000 views and it has earned $32.16. Okay, let's see how long this video is. Yeah, I can't. Nah, no, I'm not playing. Never mind. Not sure how long it is. I don't think it's that long. Okay. Alright, just a few more examples. Okay. This video is titled Service Dog Opens Box of Balls, Only Plays Fetch with Pacific One. Okay. This video has over 8,000 views, almost at 9,000. This has earned a whopping $86.93. Okay. Alright, and the last example we're going to go through is called, let's scroll up. Okay. This one is entitled Dog Fan of Tennis Balls gets to chase them to his heart's content. Okay, and this video has, wow, over 25 million views. And he or she has earned $117.12. Okay. This video is only 24 seconds long. Alright, so as you can see, the videos don't need to be long. They don't need to be hard. They don't need to be, the best. They don't need to be fantastic. They don't need to be anything, that you see in a movie. You could just get your phone out and start recording your favorite pet. Start recording your dog, your cat. All animals do some type of funny, interesting thing. It's rare that they just sit there, right, or just lay there. They always doing something. Like one thing my cat likes to do. She likes to. I don't know why, but she likes to jump in the highest places. Like in my kitchen, I have lights that are almost at the ceiling, but there's a place where you can like, a cat can lay, and she jumps up there like every day. She jumps on from the chair to the stove to the refrigerator to the lights. And I find that pretty funny. She does other interesting things too. And I'm sure your cat or a dog or animal does some interesting things that you could just get out your phone and go ahead and start recording and go to rumble.com and make you some extra income. Okay, again, that's rumble.com. Okay, the registration, all right, I believe to get monetized, right here it says for a free account, subscribe, upload, and monetize, and it says for a publisher account, monetize your video embeds. Okay, all right, I'm not sure what the business account is. It says host, manage, and customize. I'm not sure what the business account is, but I think you'll be on a safe bet if you sign up for a free account or a publisher account to go ahead and get your videos monetized and start making yourself some money. All right. Okay. Alright, well that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are doing well. Again, if you want to make some video off your loved pet that you love so much, head over to rumble.com, sign up, post a video, get monetized, and you can start making some money today. So go ahead and check that out for yourself. So I'm going to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are doing great out there. I'm doing okay, for those that's wondering. For those that's not, that's okay. You guys take it easy, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon. God bless.